The OKD Farmhouse TV Stand features an impressive 18-inch electric fireplace that offers realistic three-dimensional flame effects and glowing embers, creating a cozy atmosphere without the mess of traditional fireplaces. Its design incorporates a charming farmhouse style with sliding barn doors and retro metal decor, adding a rustic yet elegant touch to any living room. The TV stand provides ample storage with adjustable shelves, allowing you to organize and hide clutter efficiently while accommodating large televisions up to 65 inches. Constructed from high-quality medium-density fiberboard and particleboard, this entertainment center is both stable and durable, supporting a significant weight capacity. The thoughtful design includes large cutouts for cable management, ensuring that electronic wires remain organized and out of sight. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and labeled parts, and the product is securely packaged with protective materials to ensure safe delivery.